Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can move files from a OneDrive to another drive. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my desktop on my computer and this is how the homepage looks like. So the first thing that you need to do guys is open the file explorer. If you don't find it here in the bottom, just go ahead and click on the start menu and then search for file explorer. Once you find it, go ahead and click on open. And then once you open it, here in the left, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the home section, gallery, and then here you're going to find OneDrive. Go to the OneDrive folder and then right click on it. Then here you're going to find all of these options. Go here to the bottom, you're going to find always keep on this device, free up space, and lastly here you're going to find OneDrive. Go to OneDrive and then here you're going to find the option to view it online, settings, and then here you're going to find folder color. So right now go ahead and click on view online and then you're going to be right here in this page. So basically guys, once you're here, let me just add or sign in. So you're gonna be here in this page on the web. Basically, guys, once you're here, as you can see, guys, in the left, you're gonna find all of these sections. Here, you're gonna find the home section, my files, photos, share the recycle bin, and so on. Go to my files, and then select all of your files like this. And then once you do that, go ahead and download your files. And then once you download your files, just go ahead and create your other Drive account. And then you can upload them directly from your computer. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.